Hello, today I want to show you how you can create data science dashboard and deploy it as a server. So we will use Streamlit IO, and currently you can see dashboard examples that were created to show you all the power of this data science tool. You can install Streamlit as a Python library, but today I want to show you how you can pack it in a Docker, and we will use following command that you can see currently on your screen. So let's create two files. One is Docker file and second is application Python file. Inside Docker file, we will use Python image 3.8. We will expose Streamlit port and we will install the Streamlit and copy application file to the Docker image. And then we will run it with Streamlit. We will save the file and we will create simple hello world application. For that purpose we will use Streamlit library and we will use write function. So currently we will need to build a Docker and we will use docker build command. As you see on the screen, Streamlit dash, this is the name of the Docker that we gave. After creating the Docker image, we need to run this image. You can see the command how you can utilize it. And what is important, we're exposing a Streamlit code that you saw before. So let's go to our browser and see that Streamlit application was deployed inside the Docker. So let's enhance our application with some cool data science features. We will use Streamlit documentation and we will use API reference, and let's plot some matplotlib graphs. Inside the documentation file you can find a lot of examples, and we will use this one. We will copy the example to the our application and just remove some mess from here, and yeah, and you can see that Streamlit using pandas data frame and numpy. So we don't need to install pandas and numpy explicitly. It's just coming with Streamlit, and we just need to import to the application. So we will save the file and we will rebuild the Docker one more time. This time Docker build procedure will be much faster and will take just few seconds. Here's the example. We'll give the same name. We are building the Docker and we will run the Docker one more time. Okay, so we forgot to run the Docker and the application is not working, so I will start the Docker using the same command. Okay, cool, and refresh the browser and you will see the application. Here's a very cool graph. So let's enhance it and let's plot additional graph, but also let's do it a bit more smarter way. I want to add some user-friendly options, just that user will able to select a graph that he want to see. For this purpose we will define two options, okay, the line chart and array chart, and in Streamlit we will enable the sidebar, okay, that you will see from the left, and we will add a select box. This is a type name, and this is the options that we will utilize. So select box will return us the selected option, and we will just print correct graph according to selected option. Okay. We will save the file and we will rebuild it one more time. Okay, cool, and we will deploy dashboard one more time. Let's go to the browser and see that magic happened and everything automatically refreshed. So currently you can use the dashboard you can use that Docker file that you created to ship it to some Artifactory or some Docker hub and deploy it on some server. Have fun.